The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport is more than a hypercar. It's an engineering masterpiece built to push the limits of speed, luxury, and exclusivity. The moment you see it, you understand that this is no ordinary performance car. Every curve, air intake, and carbon fiber panel has been designed with one goal: delivering breathtaking performance while maintaining the elegance Bugatti is famous for. The signature horseshoe grille, ultra-slim LED headlights, extended aerodynamic body, and iconic C-shaped side profile create a design that is instantly recognizable. Whether it's parked at a luxury event or flying down an open highway, the Chiron Super Sport demands attention from everyone around it. Step inside and the cabin feels like a private cockpit crafted by master artisans. Premium leather, polished aluminum, exposed carbon fiber, and precision-machined controls surround the driver in an environment that blends luxury with performance. Unlike many modern hypercars filled with distracting screens, Bugatti keeps the interior clean, elegant, and focused on the driving experience. Every button feels solid, every material feels exclusive, and every detail reminds you that this car was built without compromise. Press the start button and the legendary quad-turbocharged 8.0-litre W16 engine comes to life with a deep, unmistakable sound. Producing extraordinary power, the Chiron Super Sport accelerates with unbelievable force while remaining remarkably smooth and controlled. The all-wheel drive system delivers incredible grip, allowing the power to reach the pavement with confidence. Despite its record-breaking performance, the ride quality remains surprisingly refined, making long-distance journeys comfortable as well as thrilling. High-speed stability, razor-sharp steering, and powerful carbon ceramic brakes create a driving experience that feels effortless, even at incredible speeds. Technology quietly supports the performance with advanced aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, intelligent driving systems, and precision engineering that constantly work together behind the scenes. Everything feels perfectly balanced, giving the driver confidence whether cruising through city streets or exploring open highways. For enthusiasts in the United States, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport represents the ultimate expression of automotive excellence. It combines world-class craftsmanship, unmatched engineering, extraordinary speed, and timeless design into one unforgettable machine. It's not simply a car built to break records, it's a symbol of innovation, prestige, and passion. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport proves that when engineering meets artistry, the result is something truly legendary.